consumer packaging must satisfy the needs of diverse products, diverse markets, and diverse requirements of shape, size, and product protection. Distinctive paperboard containers can be formed in shapes that are round or non-round, with sidewalls that are straight or tapered. Paperboard containers can be coated with the appropriate protective material for a wide range of product needs. Moisture-sensitive products such as oats, dried fruits, powdered soups, and beverages require packages made of PE-coated paperboard. Snack foods with high oil or fat content are oxygen-sensitive and can be packaged in foil-laminated paperboard with a skived and hemmed paperboard edge. Other oxygen-sensitive products can be packaged in containers of paperboard coated with EVOH or other high-barrier polymers. These widely diverse paperboard containers are all produced on the versatile PMC 1250 series forming machines from Paper Machinery Corporation. Tapered round cups and containers formed on PMC 1250 machines have applications in many markets. They are widely used for soft drinks and for packaging frozen desserts, soups, and many other products. Straightwall round containers of various sizes bring many benefits to consumers and manufacturers alike in new packaging applications ranging from butter to cookies. Whether their walls are tapered or straight, cube-efficient non-round containers cut distribution costs, put more product on the retail shelf, use storage space efficiently, and attract greater consumer attention. And all tapered containers, whether round or non-round, are nestable, so they can be easily preformed and shipped by converters or manufactured in line with other production and filling equipment. PMC 1250 series machines form these containers on 3 turrets: the transfer turret for blank transfer, the mandrel turret for container forming and bottom finishing, and the rimming turret for top edge curling. Stacks of pre-printed die-cut sidewall blanks are easily loaded onto the machine's hopper, conveniently positioned at waist height. The 8-foot incline hopper holds enough blanks to supply the machine for approximately 25 to 50 minutes of operation, depending on machine speed and the container being formed. As an option, sidewall blanks can also be punched from a roll that's fed to the machine. Each sidewall blank is picked up by a pick-and-place vacuum cup rotary blank feeder. The blank is deposited onto the shuttle table and advanced to the blank stop. Here, cam-actuated gripper fingers secure the blank to keep it square through all forming functions. The sealing areas of the sidewall blank are then heated with hot air, and the blank moves into position for folding. As the sidewall blank is processed, bottom stock is fed from a roll into a servo-fed bottom maker. At this station, the bottom blank is punched and a flange is formed on the blank's edge. A photoelectric eye detects roll splices to avoid punching out a bottom on a splice. It also registers printed bottom stock for bottom punching. The bottom blank is inserted onto the end of the mandrel and held in place with vacuum. At the folding station, the lower clamp comes up to hold the sidewall blank squarely in place, and gripper fingers release the blank. The folding wings then wrap the sidewall blank around the mandrel with the heated bottom blank, and the top clamp seals the sidewall's edges together to form the basic container shell. The top clamp continues to hold the shell in place for bottom finishing, so every container is formed precisely the same way. Heated air is then directed at the bottom flange at the bottom heat station, where a shroud evacuates excess heat. Round containers then index to the roller in-curl station. Here, the bottom edge of the sidewall is rolled inward over the bottom flange. Rollers complete the bottom seal at the bottom finish station. Recessed bottoms on non-round containers are sealed in a similar manner at in-curl and finish stations, but station functions are plunge rather than spinning. Compressed air and vacuum are then used to transfer containers to pockets on the rimming turret. Each container is seated into the pocket at the tamper lube station, and its top edge is lubricated for easier rim curling. The first rim pre-curl station then begins to partially curl the top edge. A second rim pre-curl station further forms the curl, and the curl is completed at the rim finish curl station. This four-step rimming process allows for gentler curling, which results in a better quality top curl and higher production speeds. This is especially important for difficult packaging applications, such as non-round containers. Finished containers are then ejected from the pocket with air and transported through tubing for filling or for stacking and packing. Tapered containers can be immediately counted and stacked by an optional counter stacker. The PMC 1250 cycle stop function continues to produce cups from the last blanks fed until the machine is clear of materials. This eliminates wasted blanks, increases uptime, and leaves the machine ready for production. When production resumes, the machine automatically times the sidewall and bottom stock to create the next container. The machine's idle function is used for inline manufacturing applications. When a signal from a downstream conveying line indicates a container backlog, the idle function reduces the machine speed to 40 containers a minute as the flow of blanks is stopped. The machine runs at idle without making containers until a second signal from downstream tells it to resume container production. The operator directly controls the PMC 1250 from a convenient touchscreen display on the standalone electronic console. Machine speed is easily set right on the touchscreen. Machine heaters and timing adjust automatically when a preset speed is selected. Message screens display information on the machine's operation. Through the display, the operator can monitor production data such as runtime, uptime, and downtime. Specific causes of downtime are also indicated to help the operator quickly pinpoint and correct any problems. The PMC 1250 safety enclosure is easily lowered with a simple flip of a lever. An electrical interlock allows the machine to operate only when the enclosure is down. The PMC 1250 series forming machines, offering the versatility, the flexibility, and the production performance to meet the demands of diverse markets and products. From Paper Machinery Corporation.